Why does your scanner show the P043E engine code? What does it mean? P043E is a diagnostic trouble code for EVAP system leak detection reference orifice low flow. This engine code indicates that this code is triggered when the PCM or ECM identifies a problem with the flow through this specific component, which is used to monitor for leaks in the EVAP system. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Leak detection orifice issues. EVAP pressure sensor. Leak detection pump LDP. EVAP system purge valve. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Camry and Corolla. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.